Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I've brought a very delicious, tasty Afghan breakfast recipe. Today I'll show you how Afghani people make the egg recipes and its famous recipe for breakfast. It's a unique recipe, so must try it and watch it as well. I must say you will love it because I absolutely love this recipe as well. So let's get started. So first of all, I have taken a frying pan and I'm going to pour some oil onto it or into it, and it's about 1/4 cup of oil, and I'm going to spread it all over the frying pan. You can also spread it with the help of a brush or a spoon. And with that, I've taken some potatoes. I've taken about 3 to 4 potatoes and chopped them into cube sizes, like fine cube sizes. These are not boiled potatoes, so I'm going to wait for it to get fried for until it turns out to be soft and tender. I'm going to stir with the help of a wooden spoon so that it does not get burned from one side and it's equally fried from each side. So once it's turned out to be tender and soft, we're going to add some onions. So I've taken about 3 onions of normal size and chop them into smaller pieces. Yeah, remember to wash your vegetables before cutting, and even after peeling them off, it's quite necessary for health. So I'm going to fry it until it's sauteed. And once it's gonna get sauteed, we're going to add our next things. So I've taken 3 to 4 chopped chilies, not chopped, but I just cut them out. And I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. I've taken 3 tomatoes and chopped them quite well. These are normal in size, not the large one or not the smaller ones. With that, I'm going to add salt. You're going to add salt according to your taste. And with that, I've taken half tablespoon of black pepper, and I'm going to mix it quite well and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. And you can also cook it unless it's turned out to be soft. And with the help of a wooden spoon, I'm gonna give it a mix. While all the things are getting mixed and cooked, why don't you just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell and hit that as well, and you will be updated about my latest videos. So you can see my mixture is about done. It's turned out to be soft. Now I'm going to place the lid on the vegetables, and you'll see they'll start leaving some water. Now it's done. It's completely done, but it's not the vegetables are done, not the egg part. So we're going to add egg into it as well. So mix it quite well with the help of a spoon, and with that I'm going to add some coriander leaves. I have also washed them and then I have chopped them into smaller pieces. And even after chopping it, just give it a water wash. With that, I'm going to add 4 eggs. The egg part have come now, so I'm going to add 4 eggs. Sometimes eggs are rotten, so place them into a small bowl and see if the egg is rotten and just throw it. So with that, I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala on it, not that much but a little bit, and some salt and some coriander as well, coriander leaves. I have not chopped the coriander leaves. With that, I have chopped some green chili and I'm going to sprinkle it on my dish as well. Now I'm going to place the lid and turn the flame quite low and wait for it 5 minutes for it to get cooked. You can see the egg has turned out to be white and it's completely cooked. So it looks so delicious and so tasty, and I'm sure that you're going to love it because it's the most delicious recipe. You can also eat it with tortilla wrap, bread, or whatever, the naan, whatever you like in breakfast. So must try this recipe at home and let me know if you like this video or not. Give it a thumbs up, try this recipe, share it with your friends and your family. Till then, goodbye.